All right, so I'm marking everything for you. So when I take this top off, you know where to put this top and the second plate, the plate that's gonna be under here. So as soon as I take it off, okay, you can stop now. All right, so I have 2 marked to 2 marked, so that way you know that this is the right position. And we're gonna unscrew 2 screws. This one's already off. This one comes off.
So the pieces of the tape are marked 1 and 2.
So far, and we're gonna mark some more in a little bit. But that basically pulls this piece off here, which is all your lighting. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to unscrew one side. Okay, and I'm going to mark these 4 wires here because they all go together with some blue tape. That way you know, blue tape, these wires go together. So that wire is going to have a piece of blue. That wire's going to have a piece of blue. This wire's going to have a piece of blue.
Can I cut and come back?
And yeah, make sure you don't have this plugged in when you go to put this thing together. Okay, so all your blue wires are together, so you know the blue wires go together. And the other 4 black wires that I'm taking off right here go together. Make it simple and easy.
That it?
Okay, as you see that this is your front post. We've marked the pump front, and this will be in the front. You'll have a picture of it showing that. And basically the wires that I took apart, this second goes through a hole right here. You're just going to pull this out. Then there's 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. And now this whole piece will come off. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to remove all your nuts for your rods. When you go to put this back together, when you tighten them up, you just want to snug them down. You don't want to start tightening because you can snap that glass.
Just want to go finger tight, Jeff?
Just a little bit more in finger tight. You just go around it until it's, you know, it's tight. It's basically
Got it.
okay. So what's going to happen now is you're going to be able to pull this plate off, which is marked, so you know that the 1 goes to 1. So this is the front
Extremely
side.
careful with this cylinder
Yep.
at this point.
And now, as you can see right here, there's cardboard, or there's cork. There's a cork gasket, but you still don't want to over tighten those nuts that we just took off.
For top and bottom.
Yeah. And then these markers, you'll see the little clips in there that they just slide into, and then you just slide it when you go to put your top on. They'll just slide. You'll see how it just slides right on. So you got markers now come out. Okay. Next step is we're just going to take all these rods off. Okay, so we've got your rods all out, and now what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this pipe right here. You just screw it until it's finger tight once again. And basically what's going to happen is you're going to see 2 of these. Okay? So I'm going to tape this to that. Jim, you want to hold that right there? these are just disconnects. Yeah. Oh, going the wrong way. Okay. Oop, what was that? Okay. So we don't want to lose this because you don't want to have to thread that back through that pipe. You don't want to thread this back through the pipe either, so we'll just make sure that you'll get through. Okay? Now, once that's off, you're going to need a helping hand. What you want to do is you want to kind of pull it towards you just before it hits the steel. I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to lift it up. And now I need somebody right there to grab hold of it.
Got it. You got it.
That's the hardest part of the whole thing. Now we can take these off, or we can leave these on. So I took your two poles, it's self-explanatory. One pole can only go in one set because they're different size poles. After that, you just put it together the same way I just took it apart. Just go opposite. And like I said, the most important part is be careful with that glass. That glass is anywhere from $200 to $2,500 just for that piece of glass. And when you go to tighten everything down, don't over tighten, just snug it up, because everything will, it'll hold itself in place. Okay. That's it.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.